Hello again, friends. Welcome back to Android App Stars. Do you play the lottery? Well, if you do, I've got an app for you. This is a lotto app that will give you analysis and stats on every game, and it will really give you a competitive edge when next time you play. Let's open it up. Okay, the first thing you do is you select the state that you live in. I happen to reside in Texas right here, so I click on Texas. And from here, it's going to give me a breakdown of every lotto game and statistics and the winning numbers. And it really goes into quite depth and detail. So let me just pick one right here. Okay, so this is Lotto Texas. And I've played this game several times, and I haven't really won. I think I maybe won like a couple times, and it's basically just been break even. So from here, I can get the latest winning numbers. This is from this is from yesterday, actually, October the 3rd. So from and it'll tell me the like I said, the numbers and when the next drawing will be and the jackpot amounts. But you also have so many other choices here. So when you want to really so like if you want to analyze the numbers, that you maybe have certain numbers you want to put in, and you want to see if they're winning numbers, you can do two or three. I mean, you got a couple of choices here. First, do the past results. Here you have data from all the results of past lottos in this particular game, and I'm not sure how far it goes back. Maybe a year. I'm not sure. I know the other app, the official state Texas Lotto app, does the same thing. So it doesn't go back to maybe about a couple of months. So, but it's still, if you were interested in to see recent numbers that have won, and see if your number may have hit, you can go this right here. Another option would be the hot, cold, and overdue. Let's click on that. So these will give you examples of some cold numbers, hot numbers, and overdue numbers that have hit in the last few months, or maybe within the last year. I'm not sure exactly how far this goes back, but from the last compared to the last page, it probably goes back a few months. So you want to go with the numbers that you feel. If it's a cold number, then that's not necessarily means that it won't hit. Maybe it's overdue. So just like you see, some of these numbers are overdue. Like 17 is in both categories. The 19 is in both categories. The 16 is in both categories. So just because it hasn't hit yet, it might be something good to try. For the hot numbers, these are numbers that come up frequently. So what you might want to do is to maybe pick a mixture of both hot and overdue numbers and see what comes up. So next we have the lottery, predictor, and generator. So based on these numbers up here, it'll give you some combinations to try. And so you can try some of these combinations to see if they're lucky or not. So here we got even more information and data and pattern analysis and stats. Let's try the even odd breakdown. So here on the specific dates, right here, you have information about which numbers came out odd and which numbers came out even, to help you make a more detailed choice of when you go choose your numbers for your lottery picks. Now, according to the data, the best picks are the high numbers. So the low numbers really not getting that pick that much, but and also the even numbers come out more regular than the odd numbers. So you might want to help that that data might help you choose to make your next decision as well. So like I said before, this app has data for every lotto game in the state, and also every lotto game for every other state that plays lottos, that has lottos. So you can get detailed data and analysis for just every lotto game out there that help you become a winner. So tell me something about this app, and be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you already have it. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll